Marcel Fournier. He's a past Canadian champion. Victor playing several years ago. This bike has seen a lot of different uses. It's been ridden motocross. It's been ridden as a flat tracker, short track, and half mile. It rode Pikes Peak in 1997. It's working pretty good. Gotta love a Honda.
Have you tried a BMW?
The making of these tires is both art and science. Pros, like up in Canada, will build maybe a dozen sets. And out of the dozen sets, there might be one that's a keeper that they'll choose to race with. The angle of the screws is critical in order to allow the bike to be leaned way over. The way the tires are built is there's actually a tire casing inside the tire that allows these 1.5-inch screws to be driven through the knobs, and the knobs have been shaped so that to allow for the lean angle, that allows an 1.5-inch long screw to be used without hitting the tube.
January 15th, lake ice motorcycle racing in Missouri. Never happens. It never happens. We don't do this sort of thing in Missouri. Over my shoulder, my friend and neighbor Don Prevost. Morning like this, all you can hear is the geese and that Honda. I actually rode one of these for the very first time. Hard to describe. Better to just let the pictures talk.